AI is reshaping every industry. Get certified and get ahead with Tonex. Explore a deep catalog of specialized AI certificates covering security, governance, leadership, cloud, machine learning operations, defense, healthcare, manufacturing, and more. Top AI certification courses from Tonex. Certified AI Security Fundamentals CASE. A foundational course on AI and cybersecurity, likely an entry point for further certifications. Certified AI Security Analyst CAISA. Similar to the AI Security Architect, but more analyst-focused. Certified AI Penetration Tester, Red Team, CAPE-RT. Conduct controlled offensive testing against prompts, retrieval, policies, and orchestration. Craft realistic scenarios to expose gaps in monitoring and containment. Certified AI Ethics Officer, CIO. Led organizational policy, risk reviews, and assurance for AI initiatives. Structure accountability, escalation, and remediation paths that keep outcomes lawful and acceptable. Why choose AI certifications? Validate skills. Advance your role. Certifications validate practical skills, signal credibility to employers, and help you advance, while aligning your AI work with compliance, security, and responsible use standards.